thousands of qualified, highly skilled participants. So what's the reason? They're black.
Welcome back to Team Tessie Reaction. Team Tessie Reaction is my name. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So guys, in today's video is about the black people. Black people are reacting very badly to Donald Trump because Donald Trump, he has stopped recruiting the black army. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end, and then we'll come back with more.
At a prestigious Black Engineering Awards event following Donald Trump's anti-DEI executive order. According to military.com, the United States Army and other service branches will no longer be recruiting this year at the Black Engineer of the Year Awards, or BEYA, B-E-Y-A.
The next time I hear any one of you mouth breathers that voted for this pompous asshole say that he is not racist, he just finished passing into law that the military will now drop recruiting efforts at prestigious Black Engineering Awards event.
This is actually wonderful news, folks. This is what I'm gonna tell you how. So that guy's reporting. Please go back and watch the whole thing. That guy's reporting about the United States military under bitch ass Trump, saying they're not coming to a specific event where the best and brightest in a certain category of, I believe it's probably math, science, architect, things of that nature, right? Engineering, all military shit, right? They're not going there to recruit. And I love it. Why do I love it? For one, that's less black folks in the gears of our military, which is just a death military. We don't do too much good with our military, right? Not too much, okay? Number two, we, the black community, already said we're bowing out. We can't just bow out when it's negative shit. We bow out all the time under every circumstance. And Trump, I was going to say they, it wasn't they. Trump just allow us a gracious bow out by saying don't even show up. Good. We don't want our children in your military. Good. We need those minds in black-owned businesses and thriving. We need that. That's a very good way, folks, of stepping back and minding our business, black community. Those who may have thought they were going to the military, now they may have to adjust a little bit, and it won't be hard for them because they're highly intelligent, right? They have to adjust. And many of their minds will go to, well, if you don't want me, I don't want to work for you. And they go into black-owned businesses, or starting their own, or collabing with students that they met over the years that have the same mentality, but their skill is a little different, and then that skill is a little different, but when they come together, it's amazing. That's what they're doing. My bad. I keep on saying they. That's what Trump is doing for the black community right now.
So the military said they finna stop recruiting from the Black Engineer of the Year Award event after Trump got rid of the DEI program. So they getting rid of diversity, period, and they starting at the top and going down. And that's all right. They just trying to build the most powerful white nation that they can. That's all that is. That's all this country was ever meant to be. So it don't matter if you're the descendant of a slave or the descendant of the merchants that came over here or either of the native people. It don't matter. If we get assigned to go somewhere where it's a whole lot more of us, like Africa got 980 million people that look like us, Haiti, Jamaica, Brazil, then we need to go. All that fighting over this and fighting with them, that shit no, we need to go. Fuck all that shit. We need to.
Skilled participants. So what's the reason? They're black. Are they qualified? Yes. Are they highly skilled? Yes. Are they sought after? Yes. Would they benefit the military? Yes. But because they're black, this is where the rubber hits the road, folks. Are they skilled? Yes. But are they black? Yes. Disqualified. We're not even going to look at them. We're not going to seek them. We're not going to try to recruit them because they're black. In spite of the fact that they're qualified. In spite of the fact that they have a specialization, a skill set that is wildly needed by our government. But because they're black, they're not being hired. And we're going to finish with that quote I read earlier. It's fucking racist, one active duty Army general told military.com, on the condition of anonymity to avoid retaliation. For the Army now, it's blacks need not apply, and it breaks my heart. That's not coming from me. That's not coming from me, critics who said, oh, Donald Trump's not in it for the segregation. You're just lying. You're a libtard. Hurt me there. A U.S. Army general, someone who, he hadn't been there, they hadn't been there, whatever they are, woman or man, hadn't been there for 15 minutes. They've likely been there for 30 years. They are also a subject matter expert. YouTube troll. You are not. You are an armchair moron who supports a fascist. You're just lying, libtard. Fantastic. I stand by my earlier video from February 6th, and I'm adding to the pile of evidence here.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you have watched a very powerful message from the reaction among the white people. They have come out and react for that direction from the Donald Trump that to stop recruiting the with the black people to the military base, because normally America recruit people and they normally give the equal opportunities, because Africa has the good relation with the black white people, and this time Trump directive to not recruit or promote any African military is not a good thing. That is the direction that Trump really came out with it, and that direction really, after people seeing that, even he ended up saying that maybe this retirement benefit all the black people will not benefit, and that made all people come out and really started to war against him. Because now I told you this guy is killing the dream of many people, because normally when you deep it in, you will find that most of the black people are the militaries, and we have seen how the general lately is just a black people, and he was the military too. He was a military and he was a general, and waking early in the morning and say that there's no any military that will be recruited, and our people in those US armies and military, most of them are the black people, and even promotion is the problem. And that is now the message that has been come out, and people has been said no, it's enough, it's enough. Trump must go because of that policies. This guy is killing in every sector. He's just giving out the bad policies. How you comes and say that you cannot recruit the black people to the military, and those people are just the black people, they are citizens, because most of them were born on America, stayed in America, and it's not that our brothers were taken in America through slavery. Most of them are working their farms, so they have our children in America, they have the citizen for America, so they qualify to be given the equal opportunity. But Trump has turned out and started war against them. He's not giving the equal opportunity to these white people. White people are giving more opportunity compared to we the black people. We have seen every sector in a job, and now he has now interfering with the military. And military, he said that there's no any promotion, there's no any, and higher, he's firing a lot of black people. That is the racism, that is the discrimination, and that is our blacks. That's what our blacks is going through in the United States, and we are not celebrating what is now happening in Trump. And it's enough, it's enough. We have come out and realized that it's really hurting a lot to see our black people really suffering there. And Traore is a young guy. He has come out and also said that enough is enough, and we must now come to Africa and develop our own Africa, have our own military. So because these people are being discriminating, being disappointing our people living in the United States, our people are really suffering in the United States because of Donald Trump and his leadership. So Traore has come out and also advising, because Traore is also a military university, and that is the unity that Traore is advocating. Our people are being given this opportunity because the military and this politics that Trump is coming up. Black people has been operating in the military for so many years in America, but there's no any person that have come out in that bad policies that Trump is implementing into America. He's killing the more the dreams of America because most of the young people are planning to go to maybe the U.S. Marine, but because when they see this news of Trump canceling the recruiting of the black people to the army, it's really hurting a lot of people. A lot of people is now being hurted by this news. They are not celebrating anymore. So kindly guys, let me see in comment section, is it right Trump to stop recruiting the black people, or we accept as with the black people and then we come back to Africa and build our own army as the Traore is advocating, because it now have reached a time that enough is enough and we have suffered in hands of this guy for so long time. So it's now the high time we come out and building our own military and giving the good wage for the, because you find that maybe our brothers in the military are given the low wages and low salaries compared to white people. So kindly guys for watching the your host Team Test Irrigation once more, and remember to subscribe in this channel, like, share to your friends. If you have a friend who are a black military in the United States, share to him and advise him to come back to Africa, because we are going to unite Africa in one state. Bye for now, see you later.